It hurts?
Yes.
And what about here? It hurts?
No.
And here?
No.
But this is hurting, right?
Yes.
Where my thumb is?
Yeah.
Hurting here.
No.
Wait, when I'm moving this is hurting?
Yeah.
Where is hurting? This one, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix. Relax that. Make it loose. Make it loose. Again, in and out. Okay. Stretch here. Getting?
Yeah.
Getting stretch here.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
Okay. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay. Now resetting your ankle. Hold the bed. Okay. This one is soft now.
A little bit, yeah.
But this still hurts, right? This
Yeah.
one? Huh?
Yeah.
Super tight. Okay, wait. Is there pain still?
Yes.
And this one also, right?
No.
But this is there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hurts, right?
Yeah.
Muscles are in angry mode. Okay.
That hurts a lot.
Hurts, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Super duper tight. Hold. Take a deep breath and out. Cool, right?
Yeah.
Hi, so my name is Shikha and this is my daughter Pia and she is 11 years old. She was suffering from a hunchback problem and this was because of long hours of use of iPad because of school and online schooling, and she suffered from pain in her shoulder blade region and stiffness in her lower back. I contacted Dr. Yasir at Good Living Medical Center and he fixed her problem in just 3 sessions. He gave her a combination of osteopathy and physiotherapy, aligned her shoulder blades, her back, lower back and her hip. He's also given her some home stretches to do, which is fixing her, and she's doing so much better. I would really like to thank Dr. Yasir and Good Living Medical Center for the treatment. We're very, very happy with the whole progress. Thank you.
Thank you.